Hi there, I'm Maarten from Hammer-IMS. I am an AI and software developer, and today I will be showing you some of the software features of our Edge Vision systems. Our Edge Vision system is a camera-based system that can detect and identify anomalies inline in production lines. With our Edge Vision system, we also provide our own connectivity software, which allows you to get an overview of the quality of your product without overcomplicating things. So, let's get started. Today, I'll be showing you two different cases. First, I'll show you our anomaly detection system, and afterwards, we'll have a look at our thickness measurement system. Both can be done with our Edge Vision machines. Let's start with the anomaly detection case. You can see that we have a non-woven continuous product with two different anomalies on it. In this case, the anomalies are a red wire and a blue wire. We can do plenty more defects than these, but this gives you an idea of our machine. On the left you see the raw image feed as it comes from the camera, overlaid with the detected defects. On the bottom axis you can see the width of the material, while on the left axis you can see the line position of the material. This scrolls continuously while your product is being produced. You can also scroll back to see what was just created. To get a more detailed view of the different defects, there are tabs for each type of defect. In this tab, just the defect is shown with statistics of how many of the defects are being detected now and averaged over time. Currently, the average is taken over the last 10 seconds, but this can be changed to your needs. The data from the anomaly inspection will also be logged and can be saved in your database. Images of the defects can optionally be sent to your FTP server for later inspection. That was the first case, so let's continue with the second case. In the second case, I will demonstrate our thickness measurement using Edge Vision systems. This works independently from our anomaly detection software. Let's have a look. This time we are measuring panels. Every few seconds a new panel is being scanned, and we can see it here in the software. On each panel we can calculate the average thickness. With that average we can define different KPIs. These KPIs can be dependent on your product, but for this demo I have chosen a few. On this general view we can see the panel, and overlaid in colors are the different KPIs. The yellow color represents the areas that are too thin. There are also point notations where the minimal and maximal thickness are located on the panel. On the right side we can see the useful information about this panel. There is a thickness, the minimal thickness and the maximal thickness that is measured in this panel. This information can on its turn be used to decide if the quality of the panel is normal or subpar. Every KPI has its own tab where you can see more info about it. For example, for the minimum thickness, this is a view of the material with just the location of the thinnest area shown. On this view you can also see the history of the previous panels using a time graph. When we instead look at the below average thickness KPI, you can see that this shows a region of interest. It highlights every section that is below the average thickness. For this panel, the edges of the material are below the average thickness of the complete panel. Like in other versions of our software, there are also recipes that can be used to define properties of the material that is currently being measured. For example, the area to average can be chosen in the recipe, among other parameters like the dimension of the material, certain offsets, and other parameters that can be custom to your product. This is also the case for the anomaly detection case. As with the anomaly detection case, for the thickness measurement using Edge Vision, we can also send the results to a database. The images of the measurements, well, they can be transferred to your FTP server if wanted. Alright, that concludes this demo. There are more features we want to show you, but those will be for a different video. See you later.